Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to activate DSEE for your Sony WH-1000XM5. So in order to enable DSEE Extreme on your headphones, you'll need to download this app, and this app is called Headphones Connect by Sony. Now connect your headphones to your phone and then begin the setup for this app. After that, make sure that your headphones are turned on, then move to the sound, scroll all the way down, and here you can find DSEE Extreme. In order to enable it, you'll need to press on the switch right here and turn them from off to auto. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.